Just a little of your effort could save a life. The best feeling when saving an animal's life is seeing their nods of thanks before returning to a natural home. The deer didn't forget to say thank you before running into the wild. The ocean's home to so many creatures. Don't leave trash there or this'll happen. Billy Gilbert, 11, rescued a leopard shark that had got trapped between two rocks at low tide. It's remarkable to see such compassion from a little girl.
Great job, darling. Ah, beautiful job.